Global IP Trust, Presence. The ArborLift Technology. This is the ArborLift technology. This technology can be used to safely and efficiently relocate large trees that weigh over 1 million pounds, that are deeply rooted in the earth. This, on its own, isn't an easy feat to achieve, considering that such situations arise during complex construction processes. But Environmental Design Incorporated has it down to a science. Thousands of skilled technicians have been using the ArborLift method for over 40 years. This technology cuts the soil down and then deploys a series of inflated pneumatic bladders that have extremely low ground-bearing pressures. They are then installed beneath a rigid lifting platform. This platform then safely lifts the tree and then rolls it to a new location on the platform. This method ensures the controlled rolling and relocating of giant trees over an array of terrain. This ranges from turf to concrete and hardscaped surfaces. All this is possible while leaving the precious roots undisturbed. The ArborLift method was patented back in 2014. This technology often eliminates the need for large hydraulic cranes, heavy-duty trailers, or transporters during the relocation process. This approach drastically reduces cost, but it also ensures the safety of these massive trees. It also protects their root ball integrity, in excess of 36 feet in diameter. According to Environmental Design Incorporated, the ArborLift method is often the best choice for projects for moving trees in cities and municipalities with ordinances requiring the preservation and relocation of heritage trees affected by new construction. While Environmental Design Incorporated has successfully relocated thousands of trees between towns and across the countryside, the most difficult type of tree moving is within cities. Successfully transporting a fully grown, huge tree through a bustling city can be a huge endeavor that requires precision, meticulous planning, and years of experience. There are a number of obstacles to consider and solve before even planning to move a tree. There can often be city street closures, traffic light shutoffs, as well as correspondence and planning with city officials, hospitals, and fire departments, etc. Currently, Environmental Design Incorporated is utilizing ArborLift technology throughout the US and beyond. They utilize this in commercial projects, master planned communities, public spaces, golf courses, private residences, universities, and resorts. It has designed, built, and patented the largest tree spades in the world. It also owns and operates a large fleet of hydraulic tree spades, from 65 inches to 168 inches. The ArborLift technology is revolutionizing the giant tree transplanting industry and preserving one of Mother Nature's greatest gifts. Giant trees that are over hundreds of years old have become a part of heritages, and also a part of history. Preserving such trees not only helps Mother Nature, but also helps in preserving history. For more information on ArborLift Technology, visit treemover.com. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please share and subscribe to our channel for more.